Hey you guys, I've been gone. Now I'm back with this two pigtail look, if that's what you want to call it, but I call it pigtails. Sleek, chic, so me. But everybody keep asking me, who did your hair? Who did your hair? So I decided to record the video of me actually doing this hairstyle. So if you want to achieve this look, keep watching. Say the wrong words, you be hangman. Why me stick to you like a spray? Okay, I'm going to start off with two already braided braids, perm rods, a toothbrush and a comb, oil sheen and oil of my choice or your choice, two rubber bands and hairpins, and I'm going to go with any edge controller gel of your choice and a brush. And now we're going to team this piece of a beast. I'm going to start off by clearing out my hair. And the little white stuff that you guys see in my hair is gel, because I decided to do this style after everybody keep asking me, so I just cleared it out. The back of my hair is shorter than the top because I had a tomboy cut a few months back. Now I'm going to start parting my hair straight down the middle, trying to get this part as straight as I can. And when you use white gel, you normally get this white flaky look. So it's not dandruff or flakes, it's just the gel. Now I'm going to go in with the two rubber bands. I doubled them so that they won't pop. And I'm going to try brushing all of my hair together in order to achieve this ponytail. My edges are really thin, I guess because of the braiding and also because it was shaved on both sides, like really, really low. Then I'm gonna go in my oil that I mixed myself, and I'm gonna just place this down the part of my hair and use a few drops of it and place it on the two puffs and also on top of my head. I'm gonna go in with the Clear Ice coconut oil gel and start placing it around the perimeter of my hairline. There's always a way that you can hide thin edges. Just do the little swoop-de-doo. Now once I'm done, I'm going to start taking out small pieces of my hair. And I'm just going to use these to achieve my baby hairs. I just want to make sure that there are no lines on the edges of my hair, so I'm just trying to get everything together with the bigger brush. Okay, I guess that was too much hair. Just small amount of hair you'll need to achieve the coolie waves. And you can style your edges the way you like, or what is wrong, or whatever best suits you. Or suits you best. Yeah, I think that's it. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Like I always get one side better than the other side. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the 2 braided ponytails. I'm gonna use one and begin placing it on one of the puffs. These are regular braiding hairs and I just braided them. So I did not purchase them this way. You're just going to open the hair and just place it onto the ponytail once you've already placed the rubber band around the puffs. To secure them, you're just going to use hairpins or bobby pins and tuck them into place. And you're just going to repeat this process on the other side, just by wrapping the rubber band around the puff and placing the braided ponytail onto it, spreading the thicker part over the puff so that you won't see it. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the perm rods and wrapping the end of the hair, the fray part of the hair, to the end of the rods, like that, and repeating the same process on the other side. And this is how the perm rods look at the end. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Yes. And just taste the hot water. No, we're not gonna taste the hot water. You're gonna dip the perm rods into the hot water, like a few dips for a few seconds, say about 5 seconds. And once that's done, you're gonna dry it with a towel or cloth, and you're gonna repeat the same step again to the other side. Now we're going to remove the perm rods. This side has a little fray to the end. And this the other side. It's going to leave like a little curl to the end, so it looks more uniform. And this is the close-up look. Now I'm going to go in with a oil sheen by Soft and Beautiful and spread this to the top of my hair so it won't look dry. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the products that I use will be in the description box below. If you want to see any more natural hairstyles, comment below. Bye.